First, this is a fantastic question because it shows us that you are in pain and you have discovered that your partner has cheated, or you're pretty certain, and you're so certain that you're wondering, what should you do? Well, first, I want to share with you that the first and kind of, in my opinion, the most terrible advice that I was given is just, dump her or get rid of her, or she's a horrible person. Because I want to remind you that according to the data, 25 to 30% of couples self-report infidelity. And I believe that statistic to be higher. Good people cheat. Unfortunately, good people can be unfaithful. And a lot of times when people are unfaithful, there is something going on with them. There's something going on in the relationship, and there's something going on between you two. So the first thing that you can do is approach your partner. You need to confront them. You need to talk about it. Two, see if they're open to getting help and support. And if they're not, or if it doesn't feel right for you, you go get help and support to help you make the best, healthiest decision that ideally, if you have children, doesn't just wreck their lives because you're in pain and you act out that pain in front of your children or your family, or that you acted out against somebody who has hurt you, and rightfully so, you're hurt, but maybe you don't want to be vengeful. And I know it's an incredibly hard thing to ask of you, but we do want to try to meet this space from a place of compassion. I've written an article on my website about being cheated on and my own personal reflections on my role in that infidelity, even though I wasn't the one who stepped out. This isn't with my wife, this is with a previous partner in a long-term relationship. But the point is, there isn't one direct answer. The best answer I can give you is try to take care of yourself and see if you can meet this pain with some sense of empathy for yourself and self-care, and then go from there.